This might be my new favorite. Check this car out. It's a 1970 Chevelle Pro Touring, meticulous body off frame nut and bolt restoration, all leather interior, really first class interior. We'll show you in a little bit. Of course, everything underneath's upgraded, all the suspension, the four-wheel disc brakes, the rear end, 4L60 automatic, 6.0 LS motor under the hood. Awesome looking car. George, the guy who moves the cars around here in the property, said, do not be afraid to talk this one up because not only does it look immaculate, he goes, it just performs right. He did drive the car. He's the one that hops in it, to bring it in here and shuffles the cars around. He said it always starts right up. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I've been anxious to do this one. I love the colors. The white with the gray and the red is just incredible. The fit and finish is amazing. The gaps are spot on. The white paint is like white glass. I mean, it is straight. It is clean. All the way down the sides, no emblems, no moldings. It's just all pristine metal. I mean, these gaps are like a Lexus. This is outstanding, folks. Beautiful. No vinyl top, just all gloss white. The roof is absolutely straight. I'm not seeing a little ripple. I mean, this is high-end, first-class body and paint. Outstanding. The stripes are decals. The gray matches the wheel. The red obviously is to pick up the interior. I think it's awesome. This is all white glass, with a little bit of dirt splashed up. All this is pristine, outstanding. I rolled the windows up on this side, all new smoked glass, not tinted, but it's all smoked. I love it with the windows up, but I also love it with the red interior popping too, so you can see both ways. All the rubber seals, the chrome, the handles, the mirrors. The stainless is polished like chrome. This is bright and shiny. All this is like chrome. Beautiful. Outstanding. 18-inch wheels in front, 19s in back, plus they're a little wider. They're wearing G-force performance tires. Up front here, the bumper, show quality chrome. They even put T3 reproduction headlights in there, even though it's a pro touring car. Everything up here fits spot on, sparkling. I never use the word perfect because you never know what I may have missed, but I'm telling you, this is outstanding. The fit and finishes on the exterior of this car, if I ever was to use the word perfect, I'd consider it in this one right here. I got a lot more cool stuff to show you. Let's check out the inside. I forgot to talk about the rear bumper, but that's show quality chrome. The tail lights are new, and it has the decal instead of the rubber pad in here, which looks pretty cool as well. Nice, clean, simple trunk, painted a satin black. You'll see in the engine compartment, this is done intentionally. It matches the engine compartment. The jamb itself is pristine white with new weather strip. Inside is all rock solid metal, spatter painted. You have this insulation, just keep the moisture at bay. Nice cut and bound carpet. Batteries relocated to the trunk, and it has a key, a switch. You can shut it off and take the key with you if you wanted to. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as these amazing cars are posted. As I said earlier, the jambs are as slick as the exterior. Weather strips fit real nice. Sill plates are new. Even up by the hinges, it's shiny. Look at this interior. This could be in a new Mercedes. It's that nice. Look at the door panels, custom made, nice trim, and they fit. Everything fits so nice on this car. It's got a leather wrapped dash pad with the white stitching, all new instrument panel and gauges. Check those out. Dakota Digitals. Vintage air, electric slides. But again, everything's new and everything fits right. That's a big deal. Look how nice it is. The light works. Kick panels, everything is spot on. Beautiful carpet and matching mats. custom made console. This is a Bluetooth stereo. There's a system in this car. Uh, Leather, white stitching, cup holders, overdrive automatic, shifter with the old staple shifter. Nice armrest, a little compartment. These seats are the bomb. They're nice and firm, all soft leather. It smells like leather in here with the white stitching. All the trim, everywhere you look, is just spotless. Back seat matches the front. The side panels match the front. All of this is incredible. You can see it for yourself. The rear shelf is real nice. All the trim around the windows nice. There's 6x9 speakers back there. All new headliner. Fits real nice. Sail panels are tight. LED light. Reupholstered visors. New mirror. Real nice looking billet specialty steering wheel on a tilt column. All new wiring throughout the car. Modern fuse block. Yeah, this is first class. Oh, I don't want to get out. The seat feels so good. But yeah, I'll get out and we'll tell you all about what's under the hood. It's a 6.0 LS2 engine, so it should have aluminum heads. See, the engine is painted red, and the whole engine bay is that satin black, like under the trunk lid. And look how clean it is. Where's all the wires? Where's all the hoses? But anyway, painted red, and it's fresh. Sniper EFI billet specialty valve covers, like the same satin black on the headers. One piece smooth firewall, custom grills up here up on top. Has these nice billet hinges. See the hoses. Boy, these are some nice hoses, and they all run behind the fender. Here's a special panel just to clean things up. The hoses are hidden back there. Concept 1 overflow bottle, big aluminum radiator, custom filler panel, custom nuts and bolts, dual electric fans. So the front of the motor has a front runner billet system, all the brackets and pulleys, serpentine belt, all the components are all real nice. It's a Power Master one-wire alternator. I like the clamps on the air intake. It matches the hose clamps on the hoses. Concept 1 power steering, which matches the Concept 1 overflow on the other side. This is all for the power steering. This air intake actually goes into a custom panel. It gets the air from inside the fender, I guess. But notice this is all smooth. The holes that would be punched for wire holders and that, they're not there. It's all smooth inner fenders. Willwood master cylinder. Just a really nice and very fresh motor compartment. It looks like this was finished last night. Underside of the hood's painted. There's some nice pads in there, inserts. So Michael's going to take you for a drive, and we'll see you back in a couple minutes.
Everybody, I'm really liking this Chevelle right here. It's essentially a new car wrapped in an old Chevelle body. Just amazing. Really look into the details on our website on this one because it is exceptional. I was just looking at the fit and finish, and I mean, it's so tight. Everything's so tight, so well put together on this car, top to bottom. And yeah, we're showing you how it goes around this little hairpin turn here. No issues there. Just fantastic. LS6 under the hood. 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. That's electronic overdrive. Just a great combination. These seats, I cannot get over how comfortable they are. This leather's really nice, including this leather wrapped dash. Just really over the top, everything about it. Great exhaust note. Our shop went over the car top to bottom, and it was in great shape. We did tinker with some things. I'll give you a little punch here. You hear the exhaust. And we spent about $2,500. Part of that was that we put these really cool matte gray stripes on here, and I think that was a very tasteful touch with a little red pinstripe to accent the interior. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
So the body was off the frame. It was flipped on a rotisserie. Underneath, the car is immaculate. So the bottom of the body is all pristine metal, painted in the red oxide primer like a lot of them left the factory, and then they clear coated it so it's glossy and pretty and it's more durable. All the chassis components, the frame, all that sort of thing is all smooth, and it's like a semi-gloss black. Completely upgraded ride tech suspension. You got the tubular control arms, coil-over adjustable gas shocks, front and back. All that's new and fresh. It's lower. It's got a great stance. All stainless steel exhaust system. The tailpipes are tucked up where you don't see them, just has some turn down tips. It's nice and classy. Willwood disc brakes at all four wheels. They're drilled and slotted. There are even 6 piston calipers up front. I love the red calipers. Again, just a little accent to pick up, ties it all together. Fuel system's all new. Everything under there, the brake lines, the fuel tank lines, the e-brake cables, all of that's fresh, all of the suspension and steering's redone. You look up at the motor, it's all painted red like the top. Has a Howley oil pan, high torque starter. It's a 4L60 overdrive automatic that's also painted red. Rebuilt drive shaft, goes back to a 12-bolt rear end. It has a aluminum girdle cover on the rear end. I can't stress enough how perfect came into my mind, but I don't like using perfect, but how outstanding this car is. The fit, the finishes, the function. Even if you're really fussy, I think you're going to be very happy with this car. I'm sure it costs a lot more to restore than what we're asking, but even when you pay that kind of money, you don't always know the end result. Well, the end result of this one here is an outstanding car. Someone's going to really enjoy this one. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, like how to get this Chevelle to your home, how to get it financed if you need it. Thanks for watching.